I am Dr. Kaushik A. Joshi, Head and Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Government Science College, Vadnagar, District Mehsana. I am participant of 4th online refresher course in chemistry organized from 9 October 23 to 22 October 23 by UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. I am very thankful to Dr. Dilip Vasava sir, Dr. Jagdish Joshi sir, and particularly our resource person, Dr. Vinod Tiwari, is taught click chemistry and wonderful explanation of coordination chemistry by Dinesh Kumar and organic chemistry by Professor S.K. Patel, kinetic chemistry by Dr. Man Singh, and VSPR theory from Professor J.J. Vora sir, and surface chemistry by Tejas Joshi sir. All the resource person taught very well manner, so we develop our content. I thank to all HRDC staff, and once again I am thankful to Dilip Vasava sir and Jagdish Joshi sir, UGC HRDC Center of Gujarat University. Thank you.